All right, let's just go ahead and land this plane, shall we, and conclude up this section here. Commander's intent, gratitude, ego, all those terms are going to refer to as internally looking at what you are trying to gain, not out of just trading, because that's what we're obviously talking about here, but out of life, right? And when you shift that focus, it's an amazing dichotomy from, your ego is all about yourself. When you shift your perspective off of yourself and take that detached look, it really gives you that ability to look at a situation and I get that term commander's intent from Jocko Willink. I'm a big follower, huge fan of his stuff that he does online, his book that he wrote with Leif. And when you look less at self and more objectively at situations with that detached approach, that gives you that commander's viewpoint, right? You're able to look at all scenarios, not get emotional, not get drugged down in the mud and get so fearful, get so greedy, all those emotions that come right to the surface with trading. And you focus less on yourself. Well, guess what? Now it lets you stay detached. It lets you focus on the gratitude that you can experience from having a good trade, having a bad trade. If you followed your plan, you should be grateful for that. And when you intentionally focus on those three elements and those three items, I think it really just makes the rest of this whole game just so much simpler. I mean, it's not easy. It gets easier when you shift off of the self and say, well, you know what, I'm so angry I did that, and well, my computer acted up, and the dog started going crazy, and whatever, 1,000,001 excuses. You start blaming and complaining and shifting towards other influences. You know what? Take that ownership and put it back on yourself without an egocentric mindset. Okay? So I just want you to think on that. And again, I cannot recommend a book enough. Extreme Ownership is a great, great book for not just traders, but just for life lessons that are in there. Okay? So thanks, guys.